Hello children, good morning. So let us continue today's class. I will teach you additive inverse. Additive inverse of any integer is, say for example, if I take a, this is a positive number. So additive inverse of this a is minus a. Here minus you should write. And if to find the additive inverse of minus a, it is plus a. If you don't write here anything, it is considered as positive. So inverse. So if it is plus here, the answer the additive inverse is minus. Minus means plus, like that. I hope you understood this. Now we will move on to the example. Additive inverse of 73. Here the question is additive inverse of 73. 73 is a positive number. So here minus should come. So minus 73 is the additive inverse of 73. Another example, additive inverse of minus 172. It is plus 172. If you don't write here any symbol, it is considered as any sign, it is considered as positive. So additive inverse of minus 172 is plus 172. So I hope you understood this. Additive inverse means opposite you should write. Plus means minus, minus means plus. Now we will move. Let us now continue addition and subtraction of integers. So we will move on to the first example. 21 plus 9. Both are positive here. So 21 and 9 you should add. So the answer is 30. So 21 plus 9 is 30. So we will move on to the next question. 80 minus 20. Here both are positive numbers, but the sign is minus. So you have to subtract this. 20 minus 80 minus 20 is 60. So you won't bother about the signs here because it is positive. Next, third question, minus 8 plus minus 5. So plus and minus are there. Do you observe here bracket? So bracket means you have to multiply. So plus into minus. So bracket means you have to multiply. Plus into minus you will get minus. If it is minus into minus, then it is plus. Minus into plus is minus. Then that's all. So plus into plus is plus only. So these are the four things which you have to remember when there is a bracket here. Plus both the signs you should multiply. So plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus, plus into plus plus. These four things if you remember, you can do the sums easily. So minus 8 plus into minus. So minus 8. So this will become, when you multiply the two signs plus and minus, it will become minus 5. So the answer is minus 30. Why should we write here minus? Because both the signs are negative and you should add the numbers. So negative 13 is the answer for this. So shall we move on to the next question? 23 minus 43. So here subtraction and the bigger number is 43. Its sign is minus. So subtract 43 and 23. So the answer is 20. And the bigger number sign is negative, so you should write minus 20 as the answer. Next question, see 17 minus 17. As I told you here, negative into negative is positive. So 17 minus into minus plus 17. So answer is 17 plus 17 you will get 34. So 34 is the answer. Now we will continue the exercises sums in the next class. Thank you children. Let us begin the first sum in the exercise 1.1. So see the first question. Following number line, here they have given a number line showing the temperature in degree Celsius at different places in a particular day. In one day, what is the temperature recorded in those places? They have given in the form of a number line. So we will see this. So the places, 5 places you can see here: Lahul Spiti, Srinagar, Simla, Ooty and Bangalore. So these are the 5 places where the temperature was recorded and it is written in the form of a number line. So here, see here 0 is here. After this we can write the number so that it is easy for us to know the temperature of that place. So after 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 they have given, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is there, 11, 12, 13, 14. These are all positive numbers. 16, 17, 18, 19, here 21, 22, 23 and 24. 25 is the maximum, and when we consider the negative part, so this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9 and negative 10. So minus degree is the coldest degree Celsius, and this side it is the hottest places. So here see the first question. I hope you understood the number line. So 5 places they have marked, and you can see here 22 degrees Celsius is the temperature of Bangalore, 14 degrees Celsius is the temperature of Ooty, 5 degree is of Simla, Srinagar the temperature is minus 2 degree, and Lahul Spiti it is minus 8 degree Celsius. So the first question, observe this number line. This number line you have to observe and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So whatever places they have marked, you have to write the place name and the temperature. So how to write this? See, I have made 2 columns. One is place and temperature. So how many places are there? 5 places. We can start from here. Lahul Spiti. So first place is Lahul Spiti. So what is the temperature of that? It is minus 8 degree Celsius. So temperature you have to write here minus 8 degree Celsius. Second one, Srinagar. So what is the temperature? Temperature is minus 2 degree Celsius. So you have to write here minus 2 degree Celsius. Next is Simla. Temperature of that place is 5 degree Celsius. Then Ooty. Ooty it is 14 degree Celsius. And last one, that is 5th one, Bengaluru. Bengaluru is 22 degree Celsius. So here from this you can find out which is the hottest and coldest places. So that is our second question. Second question is, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? So from the number line you have to find out the hottest place and the coldest place, and you have to find the difference between them. So temperature of hottest place is how much? 22 degree. That is the hottest. 22 degrees Celsius. Then temperature of coldest place, that is, you can see here, minus 8 degree. Lahul Spiti is the coldest, minus 8 degree Celsius. You have to find the difference. The question is difference between the hottest and coldest place. Hottest and coldest place we got. Now the difference, 22 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius. So we can put it in the bracket, 22 degrees Celsius minus 8 degree Celsius. So minus into minus will be plus. So 22 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius. So you will get 22 plus 8 is 30 degree. 30 degrees Celsius is the difference. See now question number C. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. They have given the temperature on the number line. So here you have to find the difference between the temperatures of Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. So temperature of Srinagar that is minus 2 degree Celsius, and then temperature of the second place, that is Lahul Spiti, is minus 8 degree Celsius. You have to find difference. So difference is minus 2 degree Celsius minus 8 degree Celsius. So here minus into minus you have to consider. So minus 2 degree Celsius plus 8 degree Celsius. Minus into minus plus you will get. So minus 2 degree Celsius plus 8 degree Celsius. So minus 2 plus 8 is 6 degree Celsius. So 8 minus 2, 6 you will get 6 degree Celsius is the difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. This is the solution. Next one, question number D. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla? So you have to compare the temperatures. First you have to add the temperature of Srinagar and Simla and then compare whether it is less or greater with the temperature at Simla. Now one more question, is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? The sum you have to compare with the individual places, that is Srinagar and Simla. That is the question. Now first we will write the temperature of the two places which they have asked you to add, that is taken together. Together means you have to add. So temperature of Srinagar I will write here. Temperature of Srinagar, that is minus 2 degree Celsius, and temperature of the second place is Simla. Simla, that is plus 5 degree Celsius. So these are the two temperatures which they have asked. You have to add this. So together, these two temperatures together means you have to add this minus 2 degree Celsius plus 5 degree Celsius. So the answer you will get here, 5 degree is here, minus 2 degree is here. So 5 minus 2 is 3 degree Celsius. This is the sum or temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together. Now you have to compare this with the temperature of Simla. Here I have written the temperature of Simla, that is plus 5 degree Celsius. Is it less or greater they have asked? So what it is? So together it is 3 degree Celsius and temperature of this Simla is 5 degree Celsius. This is the temperature of Simla. This is taken together. Both are positive. So you have to compare. So it is less. So temperature of Simla is lesser than, sorry, the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is lesser than the temperature at Simla. Now, is it also less than this temperature at Srinagar? Temperature at Srinagar is minus 2 degree Celsius. This is compared together is, added together it is 3 degree. Here it is, this is more. So it is not less than. So you have to write the sentence. So the first question they have asked is whether it is less than the temperature at Simla. So yes, the temperature taken together, that is of Simla and Srinagar is less than the temperature at Simla. That is the answer for the first question which they have asked. Temperature at Simla. Now for second question, is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So the answer is no, it is not less. Not less means it is greater. Here you can see it is greater. No, it is not less than the temperature at which place? Srinagar. Temperature at Srinagar. So this is the solution. I hope you understood this. So first question was the number line. In that they have asked 4 questions, A, B, C and D. Now we will move on to the second question in the next class.